Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove table formatting in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. Here you can see there is a table which is already created, and here you can see there is a little table. If I click outside of this table, then nothing extra appears in the toolbar. But if I click inside the table, here you can see there is an option of design is appeared here. So just click on it, and here in the tools bar you can see there is an option of convert to range. Just simply click on it, and it wants to confirm if you want to convert the table to normal range or not. Just simply click on yes, and here you can see the table is converted to normal range. And uh, I know that the table color is still here, so just simply select it and just click on the clear. From the editing option, click on clear and click on clear formats. Here you can see the formats are cleared, and it's a normal range, absolutely normal range here. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.